Welcome to Auto Master. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Ford Mustang, a true icon that blends classic muscle car DNA with modern innovation. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone looking for the perfect performance coupe, this one is bound to impress. Let's start with what makes a Mustang, the design. The 2025 model carries forward its unmistakable muscular stance but with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The redesigned front fascia features a bolder grille and sleeker LED headlamps, giving it an even more aggressive look. At the back, the signature tri-bar taillights remain, but with a more futuristic touch. Multiple wheel designs, color options, and an optional performance spoiler give buyers plenty of ways to make it their own. Under the hood, Ford offers exciting powertrains. The standard 2.3L EcoBoost turbocharged engine now delivers even more power while maintaining efficiency. For those craving raw muscle, the legendary 5.0L Coyote V8 is back, pushing over 480 horsepower with thrilling exhaust notes. A 6-speed manual comes standard, keeping the driving experience engaging, while the 10-speed automatic remains an option for those who prefer smooth shifts and better efficiency. Ford has also enhanced handling with improved suspension tuning, ensuring precise control whether on city streets or the track. Inside, the Mustang embraces the future with a fully digital cockpit. A massive curved display combines the driver's instrument cluster and infotainment screen, featuring Ford's latest SANC system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Recaro performance seats and premium materials give the cabin a more refined feel, without compromising on that raw muscle car essence. Pricing starts around $32,000 for the base model, while the GT versions climb higher, especially with optional performance packages. What makes this Mustang a must-buy? It retains its American muscle heritage while integrating modern tech, better performance, and sharper looks. That's a wrap on the 2025 Ford Mustang. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Master for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.